The backlight of this TV is okay, but black screen problem. Nothing is displayed on the screen. So now let's see how to repair it. Hi guys, I am Imi Mustafa with you. Welcome you all to Ornate Pixels. So let's get started. 3.3 volts regulator, T-con processor, DC to DC converter, logic level shifter, etc. circuits are included in this SM4186 IC. So, to solve the black screen problem, let's check the input and output voltages of the IC. VIN 12 volts OK, 1.8 volts output, 1.8, nice. V logic 3.3 volts OK, AVDD 15 volts, but no voltage here. There is no visual test point anywhere on the board, so you can visit ornatepixels.com for the circuit diagram of SM4186 IC. SM4186. Look here, from its pin 31, VGL will be output. So now let's measure the VGL voltage at pin 31. VGL 0.4 volts, but here it will be 9.5 volts. V1 or VGS will have 30 volts, but here it's only 0.08 volts. In this situation, an analog meter is suitable for understanding whether the boost and buck converter works. That's why first turn off the TV, then connect the meter probe to the V1 test point. Now turn on the power again, then look at the meter. The V1 voltage is generated and turns off automatically. So the IC is working correctly, but look here, from pin 35 to 40, these 6 connections are connected to the right side of the COP, and the same 6 connections are connected to the left side of the COP. Ultimately, these 12 CKV connections are connected inside the display glass, which is connected to the common anodes of liquid crystals. These CKV connections are very close, so short circuits with one another happens accidentally. So if we cut the CKV connections on one side, the black screen problem can be solved. So first we cut the CKV connections on the right side and see what happens. Okay, now let's measure the V1 voltage. V1 30 volts, very nice. Now let's see what happens on the screen. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get more videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.